Welcome back to English class. Yes, dear students, today we are going to begin a new poem, that is The Little Things That Happen, which is written by Marjorie Wilson. Okay, which is written by Marjorie Wilson. And what is the name of the poem? The Little Things That Happen. See here in your textbook on page number 11, this poem is there. Yes, so before going to start this poem, we have to see the warm-up activity. Yes, what is warm-up activity? See here, there are some things that we can never forget. What are some of the things you can never forget? That you have to remember and you have to write out. See, there are some things we never forget. Means some things are there in our life. We never forget these things. Okay. So which those things are there that you have to write it. So here in this picture, see one girl is there. She sat near the seashore. And what she is doing there? She is making something with the sand. Yes or no? In the second picture, see here, one boy is there and one grandmother, she is telling him a story, or she is holding some books and maybe she is telling some story to him. Next, in the third picture, one boy and one girl, they are playing with their pet. Yes or no? This dog. Okay. So here, so you just recall which things are there. You will never forget those things. So related this that we have this poem, a little things that happen. So let's see here. The little things that happen are tucked in your mind and come again to greet you, or most of them you will find. The little things that happen are tucked into your mind and come again to greet you, or most of them you will find. So here, this poet, he is telling that, so little things, there are little things, many things that are going to happen in our life, and suddenly they are tucked. Tucked means what here? Tucked means what? Tucked means hidden. So hidden things, okay, little things, hidden little things, they are tucked in your mind. They are coming directly in your mind and come again to greet you, or most of them you will find. Means they are come again. Sometimes suppose you are sitting quiet or sitting alone. So suddenly those memory, those coming in your mind and they are greeting you. They are again welcoming you, or most of them you will find. So most of them, from them you will find. So here write down the tucked. First word, tucked means hidden. Next, see here. Through my little doorways, of which you keep the keys, they crowd into your thinking, we call them memories. Okay, once again I will read you. Say, through many little doorways of which you keep the keys, they crowd into your thinking, we call them memories. See, through many little doorways. Doorways means what here? Opening into buildings or rooms. See, doorways means suppose enters of our building. Here they explain like, see, many doorways. So they are entering like a doorway in our life. Okay, those memories, and they are coming in our life, and which you keep the keys. Which you keep the keys means what here? Suppose you have locked this door, and how they are coming here? See, by doorway, by opening this door, they are coming in your life, and what we can call them, and they crowd into your thinking. Again they coming in our mind and they are crowding in our mind. Yes or no? So we call them memories. We call them memories. Collectively, what we call them? Memories, old memories. Yes or no? So whatever thinkings are there, whatever thinkings happens in our life, these all things are coming suddenly in our mind. So we call them memories. So right here, doorways. Doorways means what? Doorways means here openings. Openings into buildings or room. So suddenly you are just keeping it locked, but suddenly they are coming by the doorways, by opening the building room. They like in your heart room, they are in your memory. Okay, here they called about our memory. Got it? So these all are coming again in our mind, and they are crowding there. They are collectively, we are thinking about that. That is called as memories. So now the second para here over. Now we have to see the third and fourth para. Now there is a third stanza. Okay, but some of them are rovers and wander off and get. So lost the keys grow rusty, and that means you forget. But some of them are rovers and wander off and get. So lost the keys grow rusty, and that means you forget. See here what that poet is telling that. See, but some memories they roars. Roars means what here? Things which wander off, means which memories wandering us, means surprising us, that wander off and get. That wander off and get. They are getting us. So lost the keys and grow rusty. Lost the keys. So just whatever key is in your mind, just lost it till grow rusty. Rusty means what? See here, see here. If you are if you are not using any key, it will be old. Yes, rusty means like brown color, brownish color. So let it be, let her grow rusty, and that means you forget. Means just forgot those keys. Okay, why? Because those memories we not needed. Some of those memories they are not keeping as in our mind. They are getting lost. So next stanza, see. But some stay ever, never you. You will find they never row. The keys are always shining. Those are the things you love. Okay. See here. The keys are always shining. Those are the things you love. Once again, I will repeat this fourth stanza. But some stay ever, never you. You will find they never row. The keys are always shining. Those are the things you love. So, some memories we never ever forget. Okay, some memories are like that. We never ever forget. Even you will find they never row. Even we never row. Means those things we not wonder also. The key is always shining. Okay, key will not grow rusty. Key always will be shining. Those are the things you love. Which are the things you love? Those memories you love. Why? Because which memories are your favorite memory? You are recalling it. You are keeping as it is in your mind. So you will never lose those memories. So these keys of those memories always shining. But some memories which you not want to keep as it is, it will grow rusty. The key should be lost and it will grow rusty. And which nice memories you have, those memories will remain as it is in your mind. Got it? So this is about these little things that happen in this poem. Got it? So once again I will read you here. So little things that happen are tucked in your mind and come again to greet you, or most of them you will find. Through many little doorways of which you keep the keys, they crowd in your thinking, we call them memories. But some of them are rovers and wander off and get. So lost the keys grow rusty, and that means you forget. Okay, next what here? Last stanza. But some stay ever, never you will find they never row. The keys are always shining, those are the things you love. So, whatever important memories are there, whatever sweet memories are there, you are keeping as it is in your mind. And suddenly they are tucking in your mind, if they tucking in your life, and you will wander off it. You will be happy. Yes or no? Just think about it. You have sweet memories, whether you played with your friend, whether you enjoyed the holidays, whether you enjoyed the picnic. Those sweet memory, you are still recalling it. Yes or no? So those memories, suddenly if you have seen the picnic once again, these all memory you can recall. Yes, so here poet, he sat under a tree and he was thinking about this. Okay, so this poem is related to only memory. Whatever little things are going to happen in our life, we are recalling those good memories, we are recalling, and these old memory, which are the sweet memories, these always will remain as it is. But which memories are not good, we never recalling it. Yes or no? Yes, and automatically they'll skip in our mind. Yes sir, they'll skip from our mind. So this is all about this nice poem, that is little things that happen. What you have to do, you have to write down this poem in your homework book. Why? So what is your homework? First you have to write the poem. Write poem one time. You have to write this poem, and related to this poem there are new words. Yes, so tucked means what? Hidden. Doorways means openings in buildings or rooms. Roars means what? Things which wander off. So these three new words you have to read 2 to 3 times, and you have to send as a homework. With that, this activity, okay, just write down or just take the cut piece of this picture, and you have to paste it, and you have to write down which memory you have. Okay, sweet memories, even bad memories also you can write there. Got it? At least important 3-4 memories you have to write there. Yes, recall your sweet memories and write down it and send it to me. Okay. Yes. So here again on page number 12, this first, see here, question answer, choose the right option. Here 2 only questions are there, solve it, and this also as a homework, send it to me. Okay, till thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.